So black powder is a corrosion byproduct. It's made from either iron sulfide, which H2S reacts with uh, pipe and makes iron sulfide, is the byproduct reaction of the corrosion mechanism. It can also be caused by bacteria. So sulfate reducing bacteria will actually uh, uh, they'll eat up food in the nutrition source, and they will actually form a cell on the pipe wall, and their excrement is H2S, and that will literally underneath their little sessile layer form a corrosion cell, and that H2S that they excrete will actually eat up the pipe and form iron sulfide as well. An example would be a sulfate reducing bacteria bottle. So we take this clear bottle that's got a nail in it, and we inject it with a sample of the water or a swab, and it actually will eat up the nail when they're present, and it'll turn it black. So this is an example of iron sulfide, and that's stuck to the glass wall of the bottle just like it would be on the inside of your vessel or, for instance, a pipeline. All right, so what we do is we've got probably 45 different pipe clean product lines, and many of them have a specialized custom formula that includes a iron chelate. Usually they have a surfactant and a dispersant to help clean or scrub the pipeline wall or the vessel. And it also has a corrosion inhibitor. So once we get it bare metal clean, it leaves a filming amine like wax on the pipe or on a metal surface. And the iron chelate actually turns the iron sulfide into this red color. So we will take a demo and make it look like this. So the glass is clear and the nail is clean and all that black is gone. So it literally turns it into this red iron salt that's soluble in water. So it ends up just going through your plant or your tank bottoms or wherever you collect your water, and it gets disposed of pretty much for free with your existing water disposal.